Hello YouTube, it's me again. In a previous video I showed you my King Canada, the hell is it called? Parts washer, made in China. Yep, found the made in China sign. Now I've come across a problem, which, see, it has this little pump in here, which is really cool. I can pump the Evaporust back and forth. But seeing as my garage isn't heated, I have to take the pump out because I'm going to have a small problem. Evaporust freezes. So I don't have to take the Evaporust. I can leave the Evaporust and have a big block of ice. I don't care. I don't want the pump to freeze. So I got to take the goddamn pump out. So guess what? I am going to use the pump to pump the Evaporust out. Yay! How exciting is that? And where is my small bin? I'm going to use a small bucket. Actually, probably not going to use one because I'll use a big bucket. I'm going to put a chair over here, put this over here, and I'm going to pump it completely dry of Evaporust. So hold on to your hats. Hello, 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 YouTube. It's me again. What am I doing? Watch this. I'm emptying out Evaporust. Woohoo! Look at that. It's taking a leak. I got to empty it out just to get the pump out, and then I'm going to dump it all back in there. But basically I'm using this one for small parts and this bucket for bigger parts that won't fit in the bin. But I mean, I don't use a parts washer or anything else. I should have kept my bigger one actually. I just have a bigger parts washer. I don't know how many Evaporust gallons a minute this thing does, but hopefully I'm not here all night. Plus I have a feeling I should take the pump out because all of the garbage is, well then again, I don't know. All the crap that gets like filtered out of it might get sucked up to the pump and eventually kill it. Because knowing me, it's going to kill the pump. So that's my story, and I'm sticking to it. It's working. Give me one sloppy mess. I think there's 3 gallons in here. It says on there, flammable liquid, no smoking. I don't know, man. Do you really want to put like that much flammable liquid in there? I don't know. Yeah, just fill it up with gasoline, just clean parts. I know there's at least 3 or 4 gallons of Evaporust in here. I put another, I think a 4th gallon in there last week. So I know it's pretty boring. This is what I do. So I should probably move this camera over, but gotta hold it. Anyway, I'll show you the end result in a second. Alright folks, I took most of the Evaporust out, and yes, I am using a cheap pair of Mastercraft locking pliers. I'm sure you all knew that, right? Because, you know, I'm a locking plier kind of guy. And I'm going to lock that on there. I got to take the motor out because that's the thing that needs to come out. And too cheap to go look, too lazy to look for a goddamn wrench over there, so why not, right? I don't know if you can see what I'm doing here, but I'm taking the motor out. Get your motor running. Come on. This is where I get Evaporust up my arm. I can't really see it there. Hold on. Let me fix this so it's closer here. There, that's a little better. Can you see? Right. Taking the screw out holds the motor out. And then after I'm done unlocking the motor, because I know the damn vice grips are going to fall in here, I'm going to take the cord out and all that crap. Leave this all on the side, put it in a baggie and go right on it. Right on it that it's for the parts washer. I noticed one thing about the Evaporust. The Evaporust is actually eating the paint in the parts washer. So I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. But the motor is loose, see? The motor has come loose. Now I got to figure out by plugging it first. Unplug that. Let me close this for a second. Like this. Get some light behind us. Now, if you can see this, there's a couple of screws in here. Not screws, a couple of nuts that gotta come out. A couple of nuts gotta come out. People I'm related to. Nuts. I should just say frickin' nuts. Alrighty, let's take the screw out of here. No, actually, no, I'm gonna take the cover out first. The cover has gotta come out first. What's behind here? Anything? Nothing really. Take the cover off. This cover. I've never taken this apart. Of course, I know I'm going to drop every single piece of it on the floor. Because that's what I do. But if I don't need... Hold that one. Can you see what I'm doing? Anyway, I got this off of here. I got to disconnect this. Oh, cool. That's pretty cool. Watch. You just unplug this one. Like so. See, in here there's just a plug in the switch. So I could just, I would say easily unplug it, but it's not easily coming out. So I need a pair of, maybe I could just use this goddamn thing. Come on. There we go. The white one, the black one. Push the black one out. There we go. We'll undo the green one. We'll just pull the wire out and get it out of here. Take the ground off here. That's pretty cool. Ta-da! Watch later on, I'll be like, how the hell does this go? I have to watch my own videos, figure out how to put it back together. Just put this screw back on here. La-di-da-di-da-di-da. La-di-da-di-da. So yeah, just for reference, the black go on the bottom, the white go on the top. That goes in there. This. Oh great, now I gotta get the cover off here, because I need 15 covers on here. 90 million things. 90 million things in the way. Hopefully not my head. Oh, lock washer. Here we go. Watch me drop that in the Evaporust. See, there's a little inside cover to hold the cable. And then the cord should just slip right out of there. But, oh shit, I gotta get the liquid out of there now. Must drain out, I guess. Yeah, just pop this out of there. Oh. Just drain it up. Pop this out of there. Oh, come on. One wire at a time, I guess. One wire. And then take the next wire out. Ah, come on. Great. Alright, next wire. And then next wire. And then do this again. Drain it. Make sure it's all drainy. Nothing in there. There you go. But damn, this thing's got lots of juice in it. Cool. I wonder where you buy new motors for these things. Oh, look at that, see? Sure is lots of juice leaking out of here. Look at that thing. Like, really? Is the other 5 gallons in here? I don't know about. All right, come on. Take this off of here, like so. See if that's got any juice in it. Evapo juice. So yeah, I gotta take it out because this is gonna freeze. Anyway, that's my fancy video on how to take apart a, what do you call it? Yeah, I'll put this back together. It's my fancy Evaporust video, which I need to, I'm gonna put it back together and ta-da, that's pretty much it. So thanks for watching and hope you enjoyed it. Hello YouTube. The motor is all taken out. The good thing about this thing is that the screws weren't like put in there like crazy. So that wasn't bad. It's got the little plate in here. It goes in here. Which of course, maybe it was supposed to go the other way. Oh no, it goes in this way. This goes down here. So yeah, turn it around. It'll turn around. The good thing about this is I will probably never put the thing back in here because what the hell's the point, right? It's a, what do you call it? King Canada parts washer. I should have just took the cord off, but I figure if one day I really want to get rid of it as a parts washer, I'll just throw the motor back in and like, here, it's yours. But I have a feeling before that happens, Evaporust is going to eat all the paint off of it. So, yeah. Oh, look, low battery. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and like and subscribe. There we go.